Triangles can be named using the vertex. What's that again? The little points, the corners. Okay, the vertex labels. So over here it says I can write triangle. Who's going to write that word? Nobody. ABC. Or I can write triangle, a little triangle, ABC. Why do I have to use the little triangle? Yeah, because I know what I'm talking about. Like, what if I was talking about that angle there? What would I name it? I could kind of name it angle C, actually. Or I could name this, if I was just talking about that, I would name it angle. Remember how I did that? Do I have to do ACB or BCA? It has to be in the middle. But this one, I could do triangle BCA. I don't care. It could be in any order, any of the three. But it has to have a little triangle in front of it, little house. Okay. Triangles are classified by side lengths. Okay, the word scalene, can you just say it out loud? Scalene. Scalene? Scalene, yeah. Scalene means all the sides are a different size and all the angles are a different size angle. They're all different. Isosceles means you have two sides that are the same. How can I tell those are the two same sides? The little ticks, make it, you know? And then the sides across from them are also equal. You know what I'm saying? Like across here, the ones that they're kind of pointing to, they're equal. Those angles down there, I'm going to just label this a little bit different over in my little note area. I could have that the same as that, which means this is the same as this. And these angles down here are called base angles. Hi.
Hello. I was waiting for Miss. Turns out she had a job to do after.
Okay, that's all right. We're just taking notes. You got your notebook? Okay, good. All right, and then, so in an equilateral, in an isosceles, that's okay. That's spelled crazy, isn't it? I have trouble spelling that sometimes. So take note of it, yeah?
You know, for the little ticks, does it matter if there's one or if there's two?
No, as long as they're the same. Sometimes, like, you could do scalene and go tick, 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 curly tick. And you're showing, since all the ticks are different, all the sides are different.
And you can do that with the angles too. You could like put a dot and then you could put like a cross.
A dot and a cross and a smiley face. Okay? You get it? Okay. This is equilateral. That means all the sides are the same length and all the angles are the same length. Sometimes we call these things regular. I don't think that's in your notes, but I think it's a good word to start to get used to. So when all the sides are the same and all the angles are the same in a shape, we call it regular. What's a regular four-sided figure called? Square. Okay? Okay. Triangles are also classed. So this is one part in the notes today. That's one part unto itself. And this is another part. So this one is classified by the size of their interior angles. Wow, fancy pants. You're thinking, what's exterior? That would be weird. All right. This is the regular triangle we're used to. All the angles are acute. What does acute mean again? Yeah, between 0 and 90. Acute, one of them right, and this one that has a really big angle. So the obtuse triangle is hard to draw. You have to draw a big fat angle like this and then connect, right? So it's kind of hard to draw that. The other two are more familiar to us. What are these ones? They're all acute. In this case. Doesn't mean they're all acute all the time. Could I draw an isosceles that's not acute? Yeah. I could draw it like this. You know what I mean? That could be obtuse. And it can also be isosceles. So I can have them be both. So these words go with angles, and these words go with lengths or sides. You okay? Let's just put down here. Let's go back up here. See where this is? Let's put lengths. No, I'm not going to do that. Never mind. All right. The parts of an isosceles triangle are named as shown in the opposite. So here we go. Base angles, we knew that already. Legs, apex, base. All right, it's all there. I don't need to write anything. Here we go. Classify, I says, classify side length, scalene, isosceles, or collateral, and angle. So tell me about this one. What kind of triangle is this according to the side length? Isosceles. Because two are the same. What about angle? None of these angles is obtuse or right, so it's acute. These are kind of hard because in here they all have to be acute. In here, one has to be right, and in here, one has to be obtuse. What about that one? What do you reckon about that? I don't know what the size of these sides are. I'm going to get my ruler out. I'll help you out. What's that about? About 2? And this one? 2.5? And this one? 4. So by the side length, what do you reckon? All different? Scalene? If it's scalene, oh, doesn't matter. I should measure that too, I suppose. Even though I can tell. Can you tell? I can tell. It's definitely obtuse. Okay, we're not going to do these, but you do need to know one thing for this puzzle today.